From Saving Mamacita. Welcome back to my channel. Woo! Yes! If you're brand new, welcome. Welcome. Today you are in luck because we are about to have some fun unboxing this very special Hiitbox. You hear that? There sounds like some cool stuff in here. And let me just say, the Hiitbox that I received last month was a tiny bit disappointing. It wasn't as good as previous boxes that I've received. So I'm really excited to see if they have stepped up their game for this month and this Hiitbox. So for those of you who are interested in fitness, health, and wellness, this box is curated and put together just for you. Inside, there's different items related to health and fitness. I've received snacks. I've received those caffeine-infused energy drinks. I've received workout clothes. If you want to check out previous videos that I've done for Hiitbox, go ahead and click that link above and check those out for yourself. But for now, I am really excited because I want to see if they stepped up their game for this month's Hiitbox. Are you guys excited? I'm excited. Listen to that. Hope I'm not breaking anything. All right, let's go ahead and unbox this month's Hiitbox.
A few moments later.
This particular box is $49 a month, and typically you do receive items that are at a value of at least double that. So they say at least $100 value, and you pay $49. So not too terrible. Let's go ahead and I will turn this around so you can see what's inside. There is this month's Hiitbox. Look at that. Ooh. Ah. Let's take a deeper look into this here. Okay, typically they have a postcard or some sort of information card in here. And again, I'm not seeing that in this box. So we're gonna wing it. Chicken wing it. All right, so here we go. Yes, energy drink. We all know that this mamacita don't need no energy drink. But I know there's people out there that do enjoy these. And this particular one is called 3D Energy Drinks. And you can get more information on that by going to 3denergydrinks.com. So this has 200 milligrams of caffeine. And typically, I think the last one I received had 300 milligrams. So this isn't as high as intensity for caffeine intake. But what is the flavor on this? 3D. It doesn't really have a flavor on here. Well, let's go ahead and pop the top and see. Kind of fruity smelling. Hear that fizz? All right, let's take a little sip. You know what that tastes like? It tastes kind of like an orange soda. It's actually kind of good. Don't knock it until you try it. So yeah, it has 6 grams of carbs and 0 sugar. The only thing that worries me is the caffeine. Since I drink coffee usually throughout the day, adding one of these would probably not be good for me. But if I decided one day not to do the coffee thing, I could have one of these and be all right. So this is actually all right. Not too bad. Like I said, it tastes like an orange soda, like an orange crush kind of soda. So not bad at all. All right. Oh, whoa. Okay, check this out, you guys. This is called Energy Extreme Sport Beans by Jelly Belly. Who knew that Jelly Belly has a line of energy beans. So these are like jumping beans or what? Make you jump, jump, jump. I don't know. Watermelon flavored. Extreme sport beans, quick energy for sports performance. Carbs, electrolytes, vitamins B and C. This is something different. Let's take a little look-see. It says energize with 1 pack 30 minutes before activity. So before you decide you're gonna go for a run or get your fitness on, eat one of these. 1 whole pack of these. Okay, so here's what they look like. They look like regular jelly beans. This is a watermelon flavor, so. Tastes good. Just like Jelly Bellies. Except for they got a little fizz. Like when you take a bite and you kind of suck the juice out, it's kind of fizzy. Yeah, those are pretty good. The only thing on here that I'm seeing that I don't like, 19 grams of sugar. That is way too much sugar. So no, I would have to pass on these bad boys. All right, next up, Bioswiss Hot and Cold Therapy Gel Bead Migraine Wrap. Okay, so this is one of those hot and cold packs. These are primarily made for those who get migraines, and I'm guessing you could use it for other parts of your body. The heat beads relieve tension from everyday fatigue with soothing heat, help with migraines and headaches due to exercise, stress, and lack of sleep. So you can also use it for the cold therapy, helping relieve the nerve tension. So I rarely get headaches, like rarely get headaches. If I get a headache, it is something that I know I'm not feeling well. So this, I don't know. I could probably use this for my neck maybe, or different parts of my body. But if you do get migraines or headaches, this could be very beneficial for you. So Bioswiss, let's open it up. Take a look. Okay, yeah, you don't necessarily have to use it for your head, but I can see they have the strap here so you can kind of ninja warrior it, I guess. Ha-cha! Cha! I guess. I mean, I don't know. Okay then, next. Next up we have a couple bars. So these are called One Plant. They have a churro flavor and they have a chocolate peanut butter flavor. So these have 12 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar. Not bad. I like that. So I always like trying different types of bars. Like during the afternoon, I usually get hungry and need a snack. And I always love to grab a bar just for, it kind of tides you over until dinner time. So trying these will be fun. The churro and the chocolate peanut butter. So, and finally, we've got, it looks like we have a shirt here. It's called La Soul, Wear with Style. Let's take a little look inside. Oh, this is cute. Like, this is really cute. I do like this. Llamaste. Llamaste. This is adorable. Okay, this, yeah, this is the best part of it right here. Llamaste. It's like a cotton shirt. It's stretchy. It is a size medium, so it is my size. I'm guessing that, let me see if I can put it over my shirt here and see. Might be a little weird, but no, it fits good. Llamaste. I do like it. I do like it. Okay, so we got the shirt. We got this hot cold pack, which I'm not gonna use it for my head. I will probably just wrap it around my neck. That would be a good option, I think. Then we got the bars. We've got the energy jumping beans. And then we have the energy drink. So all of that for $49. What do I think? Well, honestly, I think all of these items are really great. It's okay. I love the shirt. I freaking love the shirt. But I'm going to say I don't think it's worth the $49 this month, you guys. I have to say, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give this one a 5. I'm not that impressed. Not that impressed. I'm satisfied, but I'm not like, yes, it's freaking amazing. No, it's all right. It's all right. So I will give the box another try. We'll see how it goes next month. I will leave my link down below if you guys are interested in checking out the Hiitbox for yourself. Maybe all of these items are all things that you would absolutely love yourself. For me personally, the llamaste shirt is probably the only thing that I would legitimately wear and legitimately use. So with that being said, excuse me, I have a little buildup from that energy drink. It's starting to kick in, you guys. I need to get going. I need to go. I need to go run right now. So I will leave my link below if you guys are interested in checking out Hiit for yourself, along with all of the items that I received. And let me know what you think. Would this be a box that you would be interested in getting for yourself? If you like the video, give me a like, comment, and subscribe. And we will be back with more weekly videos from Savvy Mamacita.